Student, parallels of latitudes and meridians of longitudes together form a network. This network is called graticule. Students, here you can see the Earth's miniature model, which is called the globe. Here in this figure you can see here N, you can see here S. This NS, the line which joins this point N and S, is called Earth's axis. This is Earth's axis. Here N stand for North Pole. And here S, it stands for South Pole. The Earth rotates around itself along this axis from west to east. Here, if we draw a circle on the Earth's surface exactly in between the North Pole and the South Pole, we will get the great circle. This great circle is called equator. This equator divides the Earth into exactly two equal halves. The upper half is called Northern Hemisphere and the lower half is called Southern Hemisphere. Student, let's see today how to name parallels of latitude. Here this parallel is 0 degree parallel, which is equator. Now above the equator, these all parallels, they fall in Northern Hemisphere. Let's name them. Here 15 degree north, here 30 degree north, 45 degree north, 60 degree north, 75 degree, 75 degree north, and here 90 degree north. 90 degree north is the northern pole. Now let's name these parallels in Southern Hemisphere. Here 15 degree south, 30 degree south, 45 degree south, 60 degree south, 75 degree south, and here this point appears, that is 90 degree south, which is South Pole. In this way, we can draw 181 parallels at the interval of 1 degree on the Earth. Students, let's see how to name meridians of longitudes. Now here, let's consider this meridian is 0 degree. This 0 degree meridian divides the Earth into two equal halves. This half is nothing but Eastern Hemisphere and this half is Western Hemisphere. This 0 degree meridian is also called prime meridian as well as Greenwich meridian. Now let's see how to name in Eastern Hemisphere all the meridians. Here we can name it as 10 degree east. Then here 20 degree east, and so on, like 30 degree east, 40 degrees, 50 degree east, till 179 degree east. In the same way, in Western Hemisphere also we can name the meridians. Here 10 degree west, 20 degree west, and so on till 179 degree west. Here let's see overall how many meridians we can draw on the earth. Here 0 degree meridian, which is called prime meridian. Then 180 degree meridian. This meridian is exactly opposite to 0 degree meridian. 0 degree meridian and 180 degree meridian both together form a great circle. Now the meridians which are there in Western Hemisphere and the meridians which are there in Eastern Hemisphere, they are exactly opposite to each other, and they form great circles on the globe. Now let's see here. In Eastern Hemisphere we can draw from 1 degree east to 179 degree east, total 179 meridians. This is Eastern Hemisphere. In the same way, in Western Hemisphere we can draw 1 degree west to 179 degree west meridians in Western Hemisphere. That means if we do total of all this, we'll get 360 meridians.